Hi everybody, it's Colin here from Spartech Dent Repair, and today we're going to be working on a big smash in the hatch of a Nissan Versa. This is actually pushed in so far that we can't even get the hatch open. So first step is going to see if we can even get it open and get it straightened. And we're going to use Paintless Dent Repair, and hopefully we get a good repair out of it. So I'll turn you around here and show you the damage. Let's take a look. Okay, here we go. As you can see, this hatch is just crushed in. The customer backed into something, and as of right now, it does not open. So the first challenge is going to be to try and get this hatch to open, and then I'm going to try and fix this with Paintless Dent Repair. So stay tuned, we'll see how it goes. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is heat up the panel with a heat gun just to make sure the paint is nice and soft and pliable. And then I'm going to use something called cold glue, which is basically a real sticky, like a silly putty. But I want to try, you can see there, it moves a lot of metal. So I want to try and move as much metal as easy as I can before I get in behind there with a tool and start tooling it out. Plus we have to still try and get this gate open. So I'm just going to hit this a few times and move as much metal as possible. There you see, I'll give it one more shot here. You can see a lot of this move right here. Watch. Boom. So we're just trying to get the form back and get that hatch straight. And it still won't open. Okay, so I managed to get the hatch open and all the trim removed, and this is kind of what we have left. There's a lot of big crowning at the top. I got to knock that down, and a lot of dents we got to massage up. Now there is a bit of paint damage that the customer was aware of, but they are going to have that professionally touched up. So this kind of gives you an idea of the work left to do. There's a lot of it. And this is a bit midway through. I've been working on the top. You can see that crown has come down nice. I'm just kind of cleaning up the texture there, getting it orange peel to match. But it's coming along really well. On the bottom, it's got a lot of waves and dents and crowns and things that still need some work. So here we go. It's coming together. The bottom is getting pretty flat. There's a couple areas still. Kind of right by that license plate. It's a bit of a tricky spot in there, but you can see it's coming along. But yeah, there's a bit of a dent there still. I got to work. It's kind of tricky the way it's welded on the back. It's doubled back there, so it's really hard to move. Alright everybody, this is the final repair. Everything went back together very well and everything came out. Now I wouldn't say this is 100%, but it's probably at least 95%. The customer was extremely happy. Otherwise they would have had to get a new gate put on this from the body shop, which is very expensive. But everything came out really well. There's a tiny little bit right by the latch there that I couldn't get completely flat, but they were, again, extremely happy. Okay, so you've seen the final repair, and you saw how well it came out, and we were able to do that all with no paint or filler or Bondo, and it was done within the matter of 2 or 3, 4 hours instead of days at a body shop. So if you think Paintless Dent Repair would be a good option for your vehicle and you're in the Collingwood, Wasaga Beach area, give me a call, 705-446-8056, or look up SparPdr.com. Thanks for watching.